What does if name equals if main do in Python? One of the most common lines in Python programs is
If name equals main.
Beginners often see this and wonder, what does it actually do? This statement is used to control check when code should run, check when code should not run. It is extremely important for reusable modules, scripts, testing, large Python applications. A common Python interview question is, what does if name equals main mean? This topic explains what name is, how Python executes files, why the main check exists, modules versus scripts, real-world examples, best practices, common mistakes. This is a foundational Python concept. Understanding Python file execution. When Python runs a file, it creates special built-in variables. One of them is name. What is name? Name is a special Python variable that stores the name of the current module. Important rule situation. Name value, file run directly, main. File imported module name. Example 1. Running file directly file, app.py. Print name. Run. Python app.py. Output. Unmain. Example 2. Imported file, utils.py. Print _name, file main.py. Output. Utils. Now, name becomes current module name, not main, meaning of the main check if _main equals main means run this code only if this file is executed directly. Basic example, def greet, enter, print hello. If is name equals main, greet, running directly python app.py. Output. Hello, importing this file, import app. No output. Because greet is not automatically executed. Why this is important? Without the main check, print, starting app, would run even during import. This can cause X, unwanted execution, X, side effects, X, bugs in large projects. Common use cases. 1. Script entry point. If _name equals _main, main. Defines application starting point. 2. Testing code if name equals main. Test function. Allows quick testing without affecting imports. 3. Reusable modules. Keeps utility functions reusable. No accidental execution. Internal execution concept. Run file directly. Name is main. Main block executes. Import file. Name is module name. Main block skipped. Real-world example. Utility module. Def add a b. Return a plus b. If _name equals main. Print add 2, 3. As module import math utils. No print happens. As script Python mathutils.py. Output. 5. Why Python uses this design. Python treats every file as a module, even the main script. The special value main distinguishes the starting file. Common beginner mistakes. 1. Forgetting quotes. Wrong. Dot. If name equals main. Correct. If main is equals main. 2. Misunderstanding indentation. Python requires proper indentation. 3. Thinking it is mandatory. Not required, but strongly recommended. Best practices. Use main block in executable scripts. Keep reusable logic outside main block. Place startup code inside main function. Avoid side effects during imports. Preferred structure. Def main dot. Print application started. If is name equals main. Main. Cleaner and scalable. Benefits of using main check. Prevents accidental execution. Supports reusable modules. cleaner architecture, easier testing, better maintainability. Simple definition. A special Python variable containing the current module name. Simple definition. If _name equals main. A condition used to execute code only when a Python file is run directly. Final summary. The statement, if name equals main dot, checks whether the file is executed directly or imported as a module. If run directly, _name equals _main. If imported, _name equal module name. Key idea. The main check prevents code from running automatically when a file is imported, making Python modules reusable and cleanly organized.